following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., marine weather observations indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, and small hail from 11 nautical miles north of Burns Harbor to Burns Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. These severe thunderstorms will otherwise remain away from significant coastal landmarks over the indicated areas. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Thursday morning for east central Illinois and northwest Indiana. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. Wednesday evening for northeastern Illinois.
The following is a flood watch from the National Weather Service. The flood watch